Hi, today we are going to be building Lego set 41453. It's called Party Time. It's based off of the Unikitty TV show. There's 214 pieces and it's for ages 6 to 12. So we just finished this. So this set comes with a variety of different things. This is Crocodile. This is Master Frown. This is Prince Puppycorn. And this is Unikitty. There are two presents here. They each have horns in them. It's slightly strange, but yeah. So, and this cake, it has wheels on the bottom so you can roll the cake around. And here, there's like a dance floor, and you could put like somebody here, like you could put Unikitty here to DJ, and then you could like dance. You can rotate. I like this set. It was really fun to build. It was kind of like complex yet simple. It was very interesting. It kind of helps to have some background Unikitty TV show knowledge, but not really, because I've only seen the show like once, and I still understood everything. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Slap the bell. Bye.